Someone asked a great question about case law. I said, make sure that whatever case law you're using, it was affirmed. So they asked, well, how would you know if it wasn't? Going back to finding case law, you find whatever district you're in, using Google Scholar, that's a great way to go. You find a case and then you'll see the top, like here's an example, Southern Glass and Plastics Company versus Kemper. And you go to the very bottom, you're going to bypass what the case facts are, the legal standard and how they apply that legal standard to the case. You go all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the conclusion. And in the first one, it says the trial court did not err in finding no genuine issue of material fact existed in granting the summary judgment. So that's affirmed. So, and that's where you'll see it under the conclusion, just above the concurrences of the judges. So affirmed, we know. But they asked, hey, how would you know if it wasn't? Well, basically, it's the same thing. Let's take this other example, Tammy Coleman Morrow versus James Neal Lewis. It's an appeals court, so there's already been a decision made. So let's see if it was affirmed or not. You're going to go through all the body of it. You don't have to read it if you're just real time trying to see, hey, is this good law or has it been overturned? But you get to the bottom, same thing, conclusion, and the first sentence, we find the trial court erred in granting Lewis's motion for directed verdict. Well, that tells you that nope, it has been reversed. And if you look down just before the judge's concurrences, you'll see reversed and remanded. Remanded just means remedial work. Reversed, they said, nope, whatever they said before, we're going to say the opposite. And remanded means try again, trial court, because you didn't quite get it right. So that's how you find out. You go down to the conclusion of the appellate. And these are appellates in South Carolina. The reason I use South Carolina is because of the women's basketball champions. So that's why South Carolina, but you could use this for any state or any district in their appellate court.